Okay, so the first things first, I'm going to have you pull up Google, and then we are going to type in Math Playground. And then this right here is the website that I want you to go to. Once you get to this page, you're going to click on First Grade, and then scroll down. There are going to be two games that I want you to play. I want you to play an addition game and a subtraction game. So the first game I want you to play is Sailboat Subtraction. So you're going to click on that, and then hit play, and then you can just type in your name and hit play now, and then start. So what's going to happen is there's going to be a question right here, and then you have 4 answers, and you have to click the right answer. So every time you hit the right answer, the cloud is going to blow your boat over here, and then you're going to gain some of the rope. But if you get a question wrong, like this one, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't take away your points. You just have to keep going until your rope is completely pulled over to here. Okay, so I'm not going to finish this, so I'm just going to show you the next game. So go back to First Grade and then scroll down. And the next game you're going to play is called Addition Blocks, right here. Okay, and then you're going to hit play now, and then you have to find number 7, 2 blocks that add up to number 7, so 5 and 2. And then 10 is 5 and 5, and then number 9, but you can't go like 4 and 5 over here. It has to be in a row. So I can do that. But if I want to get 7, you just have to keep adding up the numbers until you get the correct sum, which is over here. Okay, and then you keep playing until all your boxes are gone, and then it will add on a new level, and then you can just continue to play. And then those are the 2 games that I want you to play, and after you complete them both, you can choose another game that you want to play, or you can go up here and you can do logical games, math arcade, story math, all different kinds of things, but I want you to play those 2 games.